Hello children, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am here again with another topic from your writing skill, that is nothing but poster making. So today let's know about how to make a poster. What is this poster, how should we make it, and what are the different steps involved in making a poster? Is that what we are going to know today? Okay, so let's begin with what is a poster. What is a poster? Poster is generally a piece of written or a printed information. It can be involved with some graphics as well. So when you're giving this poster, you're giving a person a piece of information which is so informative as well as eye-catching. Okay, so let's focus on how to make this poster. When we are making poster, we have to take care of some steps. Okay, so what are these steps, children? So when we are making poster, we have to have an idea on what information we are making the poster, right? Yes, first gather the information on what you're going to make a poster. When we start making the poster, we have to actually pick up some highlighted information that you're going to present in the form of poster. So take care that the highlighted information, the exact information what the reader must be given, that must be clearly given in this poster. Then we have to take care about a rhythmic language, how well we should present this poster. The language must be rhythmic. How can you make it rhythmic? By including some good phrases as well as good slogans. And then how to make it interesting and creative? So let's include some related visual presentations, related visual pictures. So background images are very important in this poster. So now you know how to make this poster. So begin the poster with a good title and give some information, but the information must be given in a very brief way. So that must be given in bulletin points. Only brief information must be given, the highlighted information of course, and then some related background images, and then of course you have to give some slogans and some phrases. But if this is given from an institution or an organization, please don't forget to give the contact details at the end. So these are very important, children. Please take care of all of these steps while you are doing this poster. So posters can be generally given by you. If at all you are interested, you can also spread some good information. And posters are also given like ads, okay? So they can give some information regarding some celebrations as well. And most of the times posters are also given in public interest. The government also will give these posters in public interest. So we have to first understand the concept, then we have to proceed further in giving this information in a proper way. So suitable information, related information as well as highlighted information along with some catchy phrases, then rhythmic way, then please don't confuse poster with other discourses. Generally children make this small mistake of mixing poster with a pamphlet. A pamphlet is totally different, children. So pamphlet is a piece of information that is entirely written about a single article. It can be one page as well as it can be a brochure. But you have to take care that a brochure or a pamphlet is not at all a poster. Please understand the minute difference between them. Okay. So this is different and that is different. When you are doing this, don't confuse the one with the other. And then you have to focus on other details like how well should I be crisp and brief. This is the main target of issuing a poster. Okay, so these all rules when you're following and when you're giving this poster, it will be surely attractive. So let's know how to do this poster, and I'll share a small format with you, and then we'll focus on even some different questions asked in your exams. So let's do that. Children, let's today learn what are the important things that we can include in our poster and how can we keep it interesting and creative. Okay, so let's begin with first detail that we have discussed by giving our poster a good border. So this is one of my idea that I'm sharing, children. You can come with your own different creative ideas. Okay, you can differently plan your borders, but they must be suitable and apt. Okay, so here is my poster and this is my outline or a border that I have chosen for. So I'll give a poster a headline or a title. So this is my poster's title. So can I give like this? Is there anything wrong in giving like that? Yes, of course, this is totally wrong. Please do not give a poster as a poster's title. In fact, a poster's title can be shared to make the examiner understand what discourse you are writing, so that can be given outside the border that you have chosen. Okay, in this way you are going to give the poster's title. So now what shall I give? I should actually choose one good headline or a title. I must choose for a good headline or a title. A title must be given with a bigger font size and bigger font style. It must be looking bigger than all other content that you're going to present. So let's begin with the first thing. I am going to present my related information here. Whatever I have gathered, and I'm going to present that all related information. And how can I present that? It must be very brief or it must be very concise. Okay, only to the point, highlighted information I have to present in my poster. What else can I include in my poster? I can even include some catchy phrases or slogans. I can include some catchy phrases or slogans. So what else is missing out? Yes, I can even add some good related pictures. Okay, so these can be only the background images. Background images, and they must be very suitable. Okay children, these images which I are going to present must not cover up your entire written matter. They must be drawn in pencil, and this information can be given in black pen or blue pen. Okay, so for suppose I am giving this poster from some organization. I am giving this from organization. Some institution is giving this poster. So this can be optional sometimes. Public awareness posters or some institutions are giving, or some celebrations are going on by some committee, their name will come in here. So that particular organization's contact details must be presented at the end. Contact details must be presented at the end. What can these contact details include? They can be phone numbers, or they can be mail or address. Anything they want to share, they can share in here, the contact details. So remember children, always the headline must be chosen properly. It must be chosen properly children. That must be very impressive, so that whenever you're seeing that, you can easily understand what this poster about. Then comes your organization. If any organization is giving, please share those contact details and all the related information you are going to put in very brief way. Okay, in bulletin points or with some arrow marks or whatever. You must not confuse and cram it with information. Please maintain difference between the posters and pamphlets, and add some good catchy slogans or phrases. These are very very important. Whatever you want to include, you can include them. Then related images will add on, like this will be more interesting and impressive when you are putting or giving some related background images. So this is the way you are going to present your poster. Okay, whatever the poster you are giving, this is the basic format that you have to follow. Okay children, let's focus on some questions that you are going to get in your exams. Children, I hope that you understood the concept of poster making. So this is a small reminder again. So let's focus on the format once again. So headline must always be chosen wisely and properly. That it must be very suitable and apt children. Okay, then focus on the content, what you want to convey about. Then add some catchy phrases or slogans, add some related pictures, and if at all this is given by some organization, you have to even add the contact details at the end. So this is a basic format children. Now let's focus on some posters. Okay, so this is a poster issued by Cultural Club ZPHS School Akampet. So the details are given. down there. Okay, so remember this. And what is the title? The title itself is alarming, right? Warning, they are saying. Water is the essence of life. So it's regarding save water and save life. And then this poster is regarding vaccination. So it's on pulse polio immunization program. So even the date, time, venue, everything is clearly mentioned, and where is it given. Everything is clearly mentioned, and also a picture is included, and some slogans and good lines are included. See, children, 2 drops will save your child's life. Don't forget. Take your child to the nearest center, all the children below 5 years. So you have to even plan like this. And this is a poster again regarding avoiding the plastic usage and how to lead a healthy life, as well as they're discussing some solutions and preventive measures. Who has issued this? World Health Organization. Okay, this is another poster for the people who love dance. Okay, so there is a dance program given in, and the chief guest name, date, time, everything is clearly given there. Okay, so this is a poster on that. And again, children, this is another vaccination campaign poster. The vaccination is given for measles and rubella. Okay, issued by, the details are given down, children. So check this out. It's on save water, save yourselves. Okay, so we are all draining the water unnecessarily. We have to take care, right? So you have to give a lot of awareness on that, children. And another poster, see, the same question asked in exam. You are an art student, you're asked to prepare a poster for saving water. Every drop counts, conserve now. Save water, save earth. See how the information is conveyed. It must be creative, eye-catchy and interesting. And then this is saying no to plastic, and saying no to plastic for at least 1 day a week. Okay, so this is on that. And these are some more questions. Please focus. This question is on cleanliness in your surroundings of colony. Okay, and this is regarding eye donation campaign, awareness given about that. Okay, and this is regarding promoting the need for joining defense services. Okay, and this is regarding tree plantation campaign. So whatever is the details given, you have to think about presenting it beautifully. You have to choose a title, you have to choose some slogans, related pictures, as well as give the details properly. And this is regarding saying no to alcohol, giving awareness. Okay, so these are all great posters shared with you. I'm sharing them with you to give creative ideas to you. I know that you all are very creative minds and you have great thoughts within yourselves. Please put them in a creative way and let them be interesting as well. So, this is another poster on communal harmony. Okay, how people should stay united. And this is regarding a readers club. Okay, the Anupam Group Housing Society Jaipur announces the foundation of readers club. So who all should attend and what is the membership fee, timing, everything is given. Okay, and this is regarding a coaching center. Sometimes even ads are also issued like posters. Okay, so this is like books are our best friends, importance of book reading, how books are friends for children, and how book reading is a good habit. You can share a lot of things in there. Okay, so try to focus on these posters. Try, they'll help you really, children. You can even put in your own ideas. These are only like a thought shared by me, and you can put a lot of information from your side, and you'll definitely do that, I know. Okay, please focus on the concept of poster making and do your best. Thank you all.